Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will cover JavaScript Executor Interface. This interface enables the WebDriver to execute a JavaScript code from Selenium Java program. We could use executeScript to perform a synchronous execution, and we could use executeAsyncScript to perform async execution. Let us now take a look at the Java docs for these two APIs. As you see, this is the interface JavaScript executor, and these are the two methods that we just saw, execute script and execute async script. They take same type of arguments. The first argument is a script that need to be executed, and the second argument is a set of arguments that could be passed to the script, the variables for the script. Yeah, as we see here, this executes JavaScript in the context of the currently selected frame or window. What it means is if we are in a different frame or window, we first need to switch to the corresponding frame or window, and then it will execute it synchronously. And if you take a look at the description here, for us execute async script executes a asynchronous piece of JavaScript in the context of the currently selected frame or window, right? It's the same as this, only difference is it will perform asynchronous execution and this will perform a synchronous execution. This is a sample application that we will use to demo the APIs. This application has this green color button. When we click on this green color button, we get to see the answer and this button gets disabled. We could enable it back by refreshing the page. As we see, the ID for this button is question_India. Let us now move further and see the demo of these APIs. Here we have instantiated the Chrome driver and then we are launching the application. This is the application that we are launching. Here we have typecasted the driver into JavaScript executor. Now we could invoke the methods of JavaScript executor using the variable JSExecutor. Then in line number 18, we have located the element button1 by its ID. So this is the button that we have located. In line number 22, now we are making use of the JS executor. We are invoking the method executeScript, and here we have passed the script that need to be executed. Document.getElement by ID. So here we have passed the ID question_India for this green color button. And then we are calling the click method from the JavaScript library. So this will click on that green color button. After that, it will wait for 3 seconds. Then in line number 26, we are again calling the JavaScript execute script, and this time we are passing the JavaScript code location.reload. So what it does a refresh of this page. For it's same as like I click on this refresh from here. After we do the refresh, we are finding the button 1 by its ID question_India, right? Now you may ask that we have already located this button 1 above here in line number 18, then why are we locating this again? So since we have done a refresh in line number 26 here, so this browser DOM is getting refreshed, and if we do not locate it again, we will get an error. Okay, then in line number 34, we are executing the JavaScript. So this time again, we are clicking on that green color button. But now if you see, we are passing 2 arguments instead of 1 argument here in line number 22, right? So this is 1 argument and this is 2 arguments, right? Separated by this comma. So what it does is like we are referring to this button 1 argument by arguments of 0. So at runtime, this arguments of 0 will get replaced by button 1, which is nothing but this web element green color button, right? This button 1. Yeah. So then it will perform this click action on that button 1. Let us execute this program and see. Okay, it should now launch the Chrome browser. Yeah. Using JavaScript, it should click on the show answer button, and now it should reload the page, and now it should click on the green color button once again. Yeah. Let's try this also out. So that is, after doing the reload, we directly try to click on the button using the web element which we have identified before the reload. then it will throw an error. It should now launch the browser. Refresh the page. Now when it tries to click on the button, it should throw an error. Right. So as you see here, we have got this tail element reference exception, right? Tail element not found. So in order to fix this, we need to identify this button once again. And now if we execute, it will work. Let us quickly see what we covered in today's video. We saw the JavaScript executor interface could be used to execute JavaScript from a Selenium Java program. We could make use of executeScript method to run it synchronously, and we could make use of executeAsync method to run it asynchronously. Well, that's all for this video. If you have any further queries regarding this, let me know in the comment section. If you think the video was useful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.